Hi guys! I am back with another exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I went to the store earlier and picked up this beauty. I am so excited. I was able to pre-order this, and I believe that this particular item was released yesterday. So I was so excited that I was able to get I got the notification and I went ahead and picked it up. So I just couldn't wait for another day, but I needed to see her in person. So anyway, I got the package here. Oh, I actually picked up two items today. So this is the first item that I picked up. So it was wrapped like this, the usual packaging from Louis Vuitton. And okay, this one came in with this magnetic box. And oh my gosh, I am like so excited for this beauty, guys. I've been waiting for quite some time to get this, and finally she's here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So the dust bag, and it is a small leather goods. And to reveal, oh my gosh, I am so excited. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is a Mini Pochette Accessoire. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous that beauty is. Oh my gosh. This one is actually made up of Empreinte leather bicolor, which is a combination of a black and the beige color. So as you guys could see right here, the beige color is the monogram. This is more likely a giant monogram with the flowers and the LV logo right there. So this is in the front. Oh no, we have back-to-back logos. This one right here, and it also has a logo at the back as well with the same print. So yeah, it's identical. So yeah, it is actually the same. This one has this beautiful gold hardware. Very nice. You guys can see right there. I mean, I guess all of you, like all of the Louis Vuitton fanatics out there, are actually familiar with this mini pochette, and it is just like the same as with the canvas, but this one is made up of Empreinte leather. So yeah, so this is the gold hardware, the tab right here, the zipper pull right here. This one is actually, they actually have this grained leather, Empreinte leather, like that. Let's just test the zipper. The zipper is not the smoothest that I have. Yeah, it's not that smooth. It has a little bit of like, I don't know. But anyway, it is so gorgeous. And also right here at the corner, as usual, so you guys can see the tab right there. This one is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Right there. I hope my camera is picking up. So I got the made in France one. This one has a gold foil in it. It's because the hardware is gold. And also, let's take a look at inside. Okay, this is the exciting part. I actually, when I picked this up at the store, I actually just look at like slightly. I mean, the store is so busy, so it's just, yeah, I just look at it for a little bit and then I went home. So anyway, this is the interior. Look at that. So the interior of this pochette is actually in black. The lining is black, and this one is made up of microfiber. Wow. I'm totally surprised that this one is actually lined with the black microfiber cloth on the inside. I don't know why. Okay, so this is the product information as usual that came in with the item that you purchased. So the product code is M80732, and this one is priced at $690 US. That's before tax. And wow, it's $690 US. I mean, wow, the price is a little bit hefty for this little piece, guys. I'm not sure if it's worth it, but as far as I know, with my experience with my Mini Pochette, I think it's one of my most used and my most favorite small leather goods from Louis Vuitton, because I always carry it on my purse. I cannot leave the house without my Mini Pochette. I cannot really use a purse without my Mini Pochette. So for $690, it's made up of leather. I do believe that it's just so hard because plus tax, so you end up probably paying around $700. And what can I get for $700? 700 something plus from Louis Vuitton. Oh, it's the Pochette Accessoire. That is around $700. And of course, it is a little bit bigger, but it is made up of canvas. Then again, this one is made up of empreinte leather. So anyway, going back to the item, this one has the microfiber lining on the inside. It's a very, very soft, very, very smooth. Excuse me. And of course, this one actually didn't have a date code. Let me just see. So usually the date code is located on this corner right here. So this one didn't have a date code. That's because everything that everything that was manufactured by Louis Vuitton start beginning of March of this year, all of them has the microchip. So you're not going to be able to see those date code. So this one I have asked them to check for the date code at the store. So yes, this one has the microchip. So anyway, oh my gosh, so this is the bottom, and on the side right here, on the side, so the side is just plain right here. Let's take a look at the piping. So I am just more concerned with this purchase. I am more concerned with the piping because, you know, usually with the when buying a Mini Pochette, you have to consider looking at closely the piping, because I have purchased one Mini Pochette in Monogram last year, I think, and I was so disappointed that the piping at the corner, so you guys can see it right here, the piping right there, so you guys see this is the piping that I was referring to, is crooked. It is not straight. So that is another thing that you needed to consider in purchasing a Mini Pochette, just to take a look, just to make sure that the piping is aligned. Okay, so it seems like this one looks great. Just a quick look. Yeah, it looks great. This is just a one piece of piping right there. So one piece of piping right there. It seems to look great. The stitching for this one is actually in black, so yeah, there is no contrast. But yeah, those beautiful, beautiful monogram print. It's so beautiful. I love it. So okay, so the reason why I purchased this, that's because I wanted to get a wallet, and also I wanted to get a small leather goods from Louis Vuitton that I can match it with my on-the-go tote BM. So I got this probably, I think, at the end of January, if I'm not mistaken. I have this for quite some time now, and I have been using it once in a while, because I always rotate my purse. But yeah, this is also one of my favorite to-go bag, and it is very light. It looks, I mean, I just love this beautiful bicolor print, guys. I mean, it's one of my most favorite ever. So now that I have this, I could use this together, but I'm not sure. I tried to compare it, guys. This one seems to be the logos, the bicolor logos, is a little bit brighter compared to this one. Okay, let's take a look. I'm not, I'm a little bit, okay, okay. Oh, so the reason why, that's because the inside of this on the go is actually lined with this burgundy color. So this one is lined with burgundy. Maybe that is just the reflection of it, because this one is a little bit, see, I'm going to show you a comparison so you guys could see right there. This one is so much lighter, and this one has a little bit of like a hint of I don't know, it's darker. So that is the comparison of these two together. And this one is lined with a black microfiber, and this one is right there, it's a burgundy color. I was saying earlier that this one is the giant monogram. It is not a giant monogram. This is the giant monogram. This is more likely a medium size monogram. Okay, I just really wanted to clarify that. So, okay, on the inside, let me just show you what I have inside my purse. So this is how it looks on the inside. And yeah, this is not, I think this is just like I think this one is just a perfect like size for me. And since I don't really carry a lot in my purse, so I actually carry this the other day. See, I have my mini pochette here. So I have several of these as well. And this is the holiday animation, and it is one of my favorite. I always use this with my purse. And yeah, this is the setup. This is all my cards. I have some cash here, and I also have this one actually has this insert right here. So yeah, I always try to protect my interior. This one is actually my most used among all the SLGs that I have from Vuitton. It's one of my most favorites. So yeah, this is the comparison between the two. So yeah, pretty much more likely it's on this the same size though, of course. It's a mini pochette. So this one is the holiday right there. This one has a gold hardware, and then this one didn't have this one has this brass hardware. This one has those empreinte, the cowhide leather right there. So this is the comparison between the two. And I always like, I mean, I think it looks great. Definitely looks perfect with my purse right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So way back like few weeks ago, I mean a month ago, I guess, a few months ago, I also purchased a Felicity pochette in a bicolor as well. That I didn't really like that. It's because I am actually planning to use that to match with my undergo, but for some reason it is a little slightly bigger, so it would not really fit properly inside the purse. But this one fits perfectly inside. It is gorgeous. What else did I have in the purse? Okay, this is my purse. It's in the inside. Well, let me show you what I have here. Okay, this is just the wallet that I have been using. And then the key holder, I have the Damien Ibn. This is the 6 key holder. And I have the drops. And I have a mask. And I have the Louis Vuitton receipt. So I have this insert right here. I have a wrapper of candy. It's weird. So anyway. So this is actually, this one is actually an organizer. I use this also with my Alma BB as well. So I always put a lining on my purse. Oh, what is this? Oh, look at this, guys. A desiccant. I always put a desiccant in my purse for a lot of reasons. I don't know, but all of my purses has a desiccant though. But this one is so thin, so I could just, you know, slip it right here in the pocket. They also have the little tiny ones, but I like this one better. I think this one absorbs more the moisture. So anyway, So I'm just gonna show you right now and how I wear this beauty. Oh my gosh. So actually this is my strap for my on-the-go. This is also made of empreinte leather with a gold hardware as well. Let me just try to put this right here. Yeah, it actually looks great with, oh, you know guys, I'm a top handle person. I have never carried this as a crossbody or in my shoulder. I always carry a top handle, but I don't even remember if I've actually used this strap yet. I don't even remember. But now that I have the mini pochette, look at that. I think it looks gorgeous with this. It has just the right amount of hardware. Look at that. So you could dress this up like this or wear it as a crossbody as well. So that's another, this is another item that is actually one of the versatile pieces from Louis Vuitton. And also you could use a chain strap as well. This one, it is not a gold hardware, but let me just try to see if this one will work with this. I think this one looks fine. This is the rainbow chain strap. You could just put it on your shoulder like this, like that. Okay, so another thing is you could use a Felicie strap as well, which is great, right here, and also right here as well. So I mean, I think any chain strap you could actually use, so it's not necessary from Felicie Pochette, but I only gave Felicie as an example because I really like that chain for the Felicie because it's not too heavy. So this is how it looks. So now you can use this as a crossbody. So the Felicie actually it's actually, the chain is actually similar, not exactly the same, but similar to the pochette itself, just like that. It looks so great. So yeah, this one is, upon checking the website, I think this one has already been sold out, but if you really wanted to get this piece, you may want to reach out to USA or probably call the 1-800 number. This one is priced at $690. And yeah, I am so excited finally that she's here. Very, very excited for this piece. I know for sure that I am gonna be using this probably almost every day. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a safe and happy 4th of July. Bye.